Hello folks, yesterday I have asked the question like availability check or ATP check performed at which organization level. The question holding all these kind of options. The correct answer is D, plant level. Why? Because no relevance for this is general in organization level. Okay, it's not the correct answer. And company code level. It's an analysis. Company code is not directly going to influence on your stock. This is for only calculation, stock stock calculation, but not for able to maintain the stock. Okay, next one is cross company code level. Okay, so next one is cross company code level is wrong answer. Plant level, either MMBE or else MB1C, or else if you take a for that matter, stock will maintain at plant level. Warehouse number is again wrong answer. Okay, so your shipping point, all these are the wrong answer. The correct answer is plant level. Okay, so that's it folks. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead. If you are not subscribed, you can subscribe my channel, and all these are the different Udemy courses. I'm just providing the link below this video. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.